Now, we've been talking about this a little bit. This is super important. Nominal level is the supreme goal. When you set up your level, you turn up your gain. You set that level. Your goal is to hit on your meters to hit nominal level. Those meters do mean something. It's the level at which the source has strong signal with ample headroom before clipping. So that's our target zone. Is typically in Pro Tools or in other DAWs, we want to be in the yellow and sometimes in the orange a bit. We don't want to be all just green, right? We want to be able to get there. Now the dynamic range of whatever instrument you're working with will vary, and so if there's a lot of variance, that's when we need to have that conversation of, do we need that much variance going in? Is there a way to set that up so it's stronger throughout? And that nominal level is really going to give you power. If you can reach that ultimately, still have the room for headroom without clipping, you're going to have really strong levels, really strong signals, and overall just an amazing sound.